Hi everybody, I'm Dave Missel with Sennheiser, and we're at ISE 2025 in Barcelona. I'm standing in front of the TCCM ceiling microphone. Really a standard of the industry, microarray microphone for all of your classroom and meeting space needs. One of the newest things that we have for this microphone is this new panel where you can now mount this into a standard ceiling grid. It's wonderfully designed, very flat. All I did was just mount the back of the mechanical device into the back of this. Very clean design that you can have painted and also vinyl wraps. The microarray is such a standard for Sennheiser in the industry, including for your voice lift applications. And this is really interesting for ISE. We're actually doing a live demo of voice lift using our TCCM microphone. So you should come down and take a look and listen to how this microphone can solve your voice lift problems. The camera tracking, we also show you. We're able to have our microphone work with our partners, for instance, Q-SYS, where we can actually help them in their presets and their camera control within the space of a conference room or a classroom. We're demoing both of those things. So come on down to ISE and take a listen to this microphone and see how it can help solve your problems in your office space or in your classroom technology. Thanks. Talk to you soon.